Today I'm looking through PMX's operations here in WA. The business has grown quite rapidly over the past decade and now imports and sells around 500 campers each year. They have a sales office in Wangara and a sales and service centre here at Canning Vale.
In 10 years we've gone from a $4,500 soft floor to now sort of $54,000 hybrid caravans.
So let's take a quick look at some of the range. This is the Sterling GT. Les says it's one of the most popular models and it retails for $21,000.
It's easy to set up, it's got all the bells and whistles, 2 tanks, 2 batteries, it's got a DVD player, it's got a radio, 4-burner cooktop.
Next we look at the Lincoln LX Mark III.
So this is our top of the range camper trailer, truly a 6-berth but multifunctional. Inbuilt hot water system, basically has a huge annex.
This is the Parks model and it's fully featured. It's called a hybrid, a mix between a camper and a caravan. Yeah, so what's the difference between a hybrid and a caravan?
Traditional caravan would be maybe cooking inside. We've actually opted at this point to have most of our cooking outside. Fantastic little feature. Just here, we've got an electric step.
So Les, this is huge. What's going on out here?
I know, mate. It is huge, and with the expansion of all our range, we've actually extended our showroom. So really happy with how it's working, and obviously showcasing our new models here. We're basically a one-stop shop, so servicing, any issues with the trailers we can fix here, any modification.
In the service centre, there's a lot to do. After the campers and hybrids arrive, they are unpacked from their containers and the work begins.
Assembled the toolboxes, the front box, the rear boxes, the rear spare wheel carriers, external jack legs, jockey wheels, hitches, full suspension gets done. We pull the suspension apart, we re-grease, we refit everything, we re-torque everything.
After the build is complete, the trailers move to a strict quality control inspection and pre-delivery stage.
From that, it's gas tested, 240 tested, we water test them, we check all the plumbing, the electrics.
Customers can also have accessories fitted and modifications made.
Extra solar panels, off-grid packs, extra grey water tanks, outdoor showers. We try and accommodate for all the custom work here as well.
To see the range of PMX camper trailers, pop into their showroom at Canning Vale, Wangara, or check out their website which has all the models listed as well as the features and design information. That's pmxcampers.com.au.